Hey there everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how we can add leader note in PTC Creo Parametric. And we're going to talk about adding leader note not only in detailing but also creating first of all it in model and then later on using the same here in drawing. For that, let me quickly open this model, and now I'm going to go to Annotate tab. Now here what we need to do is we need to first of all define from which direction we would like to see the model. And here we can also see the preview of it when I am hovering on these annotation plane. So I guess for me the best one is front plane. And now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on note. So here we have got these three type of note. In this particular case I would like to go with leader note. After selecting leader note, I need to simply choose the area where I would like to place this note. And now after making left click, I'm gonna make a scroll wheel button click, and here I can specify this whole value. For example, I'm gonna say 4 holes of same dia. Of course we're not going to write it like this, same dia. Now you might be thinking of where this note went. So the reason why we can't see the note anymore after we exited from it is because we have disabled the annotation display. So as soon as we enable it, you will see the note will come back. Now next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on save, and now click on view, and again I'm going to go back to drawing. Now I'm going to hide the coordinates, and now again I'm going to go here in show model annotation, and when I click here on this note, I can see that this note is available for us in drawing mode as well. So in this way guys, we can create a note in model and then can be imported in drawing, which I would say should be the recommended way, because as we know the Creo Parametric follow model centric approach, which means that all the information is stored in model. However, we can also create a draft note. For that we can go here and annotate and can see the same option. So here also I have a leader note. I can simply select the entity, and now here I can see that this is draft note. Now you will have all the different options to customize it the way you want them to be. In this way you can customize your note. Now there are many other ways how you can create note. For example, you can also place an attached note, which I would say is really useful when, let's say, you would like to write some general detail about the product, where you can actually keep it on bottom or up based on your standard. And then here you can talk about, let's say, general instructions. Okay, now let me also show you one more method of creating note. Especially I would say that is helpful when we would like to select two entities. For that again I'm gonna go with leader note, and now what I will do is I will first of all select my first entity, and now I will press Ctrl and then we'll select the second entity. After doing that, you will see that the leader is now attached to both the entities. And after that, you need to press middle scroll wheel, and then you can write a necessary spec of that feature. So in this way guys, we also have seen how we can connect leader to two features. Now let me also use to leader note, which is also pretty interesting. So in order to add leader note, you need to look for leader, and here we have got leader. So what we can do here is we can connect this node to any leader. So simply select the leader, and then this leader node will be automatically attached to the leader. So in this way guys, we can also create a leader node. Similarly, we have got offset node, where we can simply select the dimension, and then we can write note which is at certain offset of that dimension. Now the good thing about this is whenever, let's say, you make adjustment in that dimension, the offset note will also get adjusted automatically. And similarly, we also have option of on item note. So you need to select the item and then you need to put that note. And again, the good thing about on item note is that whenever you move the item, so if I move this item, you can see that the on item note move also together with it. However, when we talk about the unattached node, since this is not connected to anything, you can see that on item node moves relative to the body. However, the general instruction remain in its original place. So in this way guys, we have seen in how many different way we can create a note inside PTC Creo Parametric. And not only we saw it only in detailing, but we also saw how we can create it in model and then can import in our drawing. Hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow the entire PTC Creo Parametric series, and I will see you with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.